a new dog. Kipper wanted a dog. Everyone wanted a dog. They went to the dog's home. They looked at the dogs. Oh, look, so many dogs. They're woofing. Kipper wanted this dog. It was too big. Biff wanted this dog. It was too little. Mum wanted this dog. It was too strong. Everyone liked this dog. They took the dog home. Yay! The end. Thank you for watching the video. If you're my returning subscriber, thanks a lot, guys. And if you are here for the first time, do hit the subscribe and like button so you don't miss any new videos from my side. Also, do remember to comment in the comment section on any video you want me to make next time. Till then, take care and bye.